Okay. So we have those ribs right there, right? So I'm gonna come in for that scoliosis. Here. Let's grab that right there. Good. Well, it's definitely those two areas good. That whole section. Very good.